Hey everyone, just thought we'd do a review on our new Magnum Industrial drill press. We had just set this thing up and I've used it for a few days now and it's working great. So I'll go over, I guess, a few things, maybe a few features. It's got a couple different work lights. It's got an LED light here. That's fairly bright. That's pretty nice. And then on the other side here, you can see it's got a laser switch right here on the other side. And that's got a fairly nice laser. It's not, oh yeah, it's got a swivel down here. And so you can adjust that to be perfectly centered like that. And I personally haven't used the laser yet because I haven't really had a need for it, but it is a bit of a nicer feature. Now it does have different speeds. You can pop this cap open here. Oh, you need to unscrew it. I guess I should do that, eh?
That's it.
Isn't it?
Who put that in? You did you? Did I?
Yeah.
My knife could do it. Let's see. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, my handy dandy all-purpose screwdriver.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
My knife. There you go.
All right, we'll take that again here.
Bloopers.
Yeah.
Maybe just put it quick at the end.
Yeah. Okay, it does have multiple different speeds. I believe it's six different speeds. This has a little screw in it on the side here. You can pop the screw off, and then all you have to do is just adjust the belts into the lower rings here, and it can lower the speed and increase the speed. It has a little example inside here of the different speeds. So you just follow that, and we have it on the highest speed setting right now. And so I'll start it up for you. Let you kind of hear what it sounds like. It's relatively smooth. I just have a 1-inch drill bit in here right now. Here's just for some time. So really no hesitation. Of course, that's pine. Here's a piece of hard maple. Let you see that too. A little bit of a slowdown there. Anyway, you get the picture.
Okay.
This is pretty hard wood, but
Yeah, it is, yeah.
and our bit probably isn't super sharp either. But overall, I'm pretty impressed with the power of it. It's got the height adjustment here. It locks in place, and then you can just raise and lower, and it's got quite a ways that you can go. So that's a nice feature. And then obviously it comes with the chuck here to replace the bits, and it's got a little holder there. And then lastly, I think is just obviously the height stop. You know, you can set that so that you have something consistent to go off of. So overall, it's definitely a good drill press. We live in Canada and we bought it at KMS Tools for about 500 bucks. I believe it was on sale, probably 550 without being on sale. So yeah, we're really happy with it. It does what we need it to. We're just a woodworking company, so hardwoods and stuff like that, it has no issue with. We haven't really tried any metal, but it wouldn't have an issue with that either. So we recommend the Magnum Industrial. And if you found this review helpful, if you wouldn't mind just throwing a like on the video and subscribing to our channel, we'd really appreciate it.